That feels kind of good.
Are we getting drunk tonight, buddies?
I was drunk last night.
I know, but are we getting drunk?
Sure.
All right.
I had a lot to drink though. I had one thing of rum and half a beer.
Wow. I had 6 beers and I didn't have shit.
Half of Mike's hard lemonade.
I guess it wasn't even a beer. You're right.
He said, fuck this shit, I'm gonna do it backwards.
Tread lightly.
I was gonna say, he's like, is my ass end over far enough now? Yeah. Dude, I like this guy a lot. Now here's where a rear steer would be nice. Future mod. Got that up top.
I think you got the ass over now.
Yeah, but when he makes that turn, it'll...
No, this trail's tough. Once you get past this, it's still pretty tough up there. Yeah. I saw him backing up a couple times.
Yeah, Andy's rolled up there.
Oh, there he is. Smoking. Nice. He's just walking the fucking ass right back down the hill.
Yeah, how did Andy get this shit?
Well, fuck it, let's run that.
Fuck it, that'll work.
We at least got to get you to here.
He'd been there. Oh, that was nice.
Back up.
No, keep him going that way. Keep him going that way.
Back up.
He'll slide down on the road.
Keep it passenger.
Fly past. You gonna put him more on the center of it?
Yeah, we're going to get him over a little bit. Because by the time Andy got here, he, for the most part, fell in.
Turn passenger. Going backwards, right,
Yep.
Ben? Back up.
It's fucking teamwork right here. I like this. Team building skills. This military training.
Keep going. I almost want to walk. Keep going. Keep going.
Right there?
Yes. That's awesome. I don't know.
As you come up, straighten out. As you come up, straighten out.
There you go. There we go.
There you go. Nice.
Get in the back.
There you go. Slide that ass in over that way. There you go. That's what Andy did.
Holy shit, did you see that? Did you get that? Tell me you got that.
I got that.
There was weight on it. Yeah, right there, the lift. Yeah, the V-lock's done. Keep rolling forward till it sits down on it. No, the whole thing's bent. Yeah, what? There, it's not bent.
That from going over.
The exit on the line. Well, where can we put it?
I've seen that.
I don't know, but I got that.
Yeah,
that was fucking awesome.
That was awesome. He was like, oh, your tires!